walk and I look in the sky, I pray before I die that you would rain on me your blessings in season, out of season. Rain on me, Lord.